So today I'm starting my DIY little turning my room into a closet. So Kerry and I are out getting all the materials for that and I'm so excited. Fuck yeah. Yeah, these are the ones.
2.3.5.
Not even close? Maybe if there was just one of us that came back to get it and put this seat forward. Like put it down. Not quite.
Not quite, no. Yeah, I think that's what we were aiming for.
We were
like
gonna
about
get
30.
like a 30 centimeter pipe, I think. Carrie's hands are dirty from the pipes. Little crab claws.
Oh shit.
Damn. A big strong man.
Okay, live.
Oh, hi guys. I didn't see you there. Okay, so today we're going to be getting all the materials ready. It's time for handyman Bella. So Kerry and I got our paint mixed and I don't know what we did with it. We didn't buy it and we didn't realize until today when I was looking for the paint and we couldn't find it anywhere, so we checked the receipt. Turns out we didn't even purchase it. I don't know what happened there. I don't know where we put it, what we did with it, why we didn't buy it. Okay, let's do the two big boys first. Oh god. So we had a little bit of a setback and apparently according to Dad, I got the wrong materials. So now we're back at Bunnings to try and get the right stuff.
The 40, I think if we get that 300 it would be perfect. That's pretty, I mean how much can clothes weigh? You know?
I have a lot of clothes.
Yeah.
Okay, so here is what you're going to need. 9 15 by 300 millimeter galvanized pipes, 9 15 millimeter galvanized round end caps, but I have 12 here, but we actually only needed 9 15 millimeter flanges, some acetone to clean the pipes because they're a little oily to begin with, and some rags also to actually clean them. 9 15 millimeter rod holders to connect the pipes to the wood, and then 16 screws because we only use 2 sides of the flanges. You'll need some galvanized steel paint primer as well as some paint. I would have liked to have them gold, but they didn't have any gold rods, so we just used white, and then also a paint roller. For the clothing rack, we had 15 millimeter galvanized steel pipe, which we just got enough to fit the wall that we needed, some 15 millimeter galvanized pipe connectors to connect them all together, 2 flanges, and 4 screws. Here we go again. Ew, my acetone is leaking.
That's all we need.
What? That's something.
That's how it should be. What the fuck?
That's one.
Try clean. On there.
Wow, looks good. Do you reckon you can hang off that?
Looks like a dildo.
I was about to say that.
I never thought this day would come.
I know.
That's not even.
That is much more space
I
than
thought we
that.
measured it.
I think that's supposed to be the bottom.
Oh,
and it's
that-
supposed to come up to here.
Did you measure it wrong? I think you measured it wrong.
No, I did measure it.
Measured it.
Right.
Bella, you're getting all this dead, putting it in, doing it wrong, and
Next
then having to
time,
take it out and
measure
doing
it
it.
So I have it all together.
Next time measure it properly.
That's putting together my Mr. Grey room. Aren't you going to test how hard they are, Dad?
They're pretty hard, right? Oh my god, fuck.
You have to hit it.
It's a learning. Have you heard of a learning curve?
No.
You learn it.
What's that?
Well, you did it.
A learning curve?
Over there. What? Look at that. You know, if there isn't, we're going to have to overlap it here.
If there was a stud here, it could. You could like bring it out here and then curve it back in. You could do that if you
We
want.
could do that.
That would prevent it from being on an angle.
So, all the measuring we did for the poles and stuff it was wrong. Because obviously where we want to put the poles, so here, there's one going here, there has to be timber behind the wall here. Obviously we can't see that, so we just have to kind of guesstimate by knocking and being able to hear it. And so we measured it wrong. So now, instead of doing a straight pole from wall to wall, we're doing it from wall, around, it's curving, and then it's going into the back wall. I love being down. Oh, that was Uber Eats. So we just had to go back to Bunnings, buy more piping. I ran out of paint, so I had to buy more paint, more acetone, more paint brushes, and now I get to paint again for the 4th day in a row. I'm so excited to have it all done today, but let's get to work. And I'm not gonna film this bit because I think you guys have seen me go to Bunnings and acetone my pipes and paint them far too many times. I'll see you when we're ready to install them. Literally the bane of my existence is IKEA. Honestly, I think this looks way better than how we were gonna have it straight across the wall. Oh, hallelujah.
Wait, what are we doing first?
We're gonna
The hang-
because that requires the most effort. Well, not really, but like sort of in the way that I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
I wouldn't have a clue if that means go or no.
I'm gonna mark it. I'm just gonna.
don't have a pencil. Oh yeah, that's something. That isn't even straight.
I'm sure there's probably a better way to do
I don't know if that's the best way, but whatever works.
Now if this falls out through, I'm gonna be really sad.
Yeah, that's not right.
Yeah, I'm not very good at getting things straight. You should see the way I write. It's quite tragic.
That is tragic. Not even close, but we've got 6. This thing ain't coming off the wall.
Did you get it?
Oh!
Oh, that goes on.